Do you love dinosaurs movies like I do? Me, I love all the Jurassic Park and Jurassic World movies. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Wonder Evie and today I make a Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom cake to celebrate the new Jurassic World movie. It's a vanilla cake with a vanilla frosting, covered with fondant. All around the cake there is a dinosaur texture. On the top there is the logo of Jurassic World 2 movie and a dinosaur coming out of the cake. The dinosaur is a Baryonyx that we can find in the new movie and is made out of modeling chocolate. Are you ready? Let's go! I begin by layering two 8-inch vanilla cakes with a vanilla frosting. Then I cover the cake with a white fondant. To make the dinosaur texture all around the cake, I use small balls of fondant, various sizes and shapes that I stick with a little of water and I flatten them. To make the logo, I have printed it the size wanted and I cut it.
You don't wanna go, but I'm not staying. See, you found love, but I'm just staging. Inside, I'm still alive, I'm still alive. But you know that we might still get burned.
I put the logo on rolled fondant and I cut it, following the shape of the logo.
The fire is raging.
I mark the emplacement of the letters by pressing with a pointed tool or a pen.
The fire is raging.
Then I stick the logo on the cake with a little bit of water. Now let's cut some details.
How do you survive while I'm burning alive?
I apply a first layer of medium gray food color on the logo, except the letters that I paint light green. With a little bit of water, I stick very lightly the paper logo on the other.
The fire is red.
And I start the airbrush painting with black airbrush food color. I keep the effect of smoke created naturally by the airbrush. I make the shadows in the logo. And I take off the paper logo. Now I cut the letters. I stick them with a little bit of water. I make the shadows with the airbrush. And I take off the paper letters. I paint the dinosaur texture with a brown yellow food color and paintbrush. Then I make some sparks of fire with a paintbrush and red-orange food color. Time to make a lot of cracks in the logo. And paint them with black food color. I also paint the line in the middle of the letters. I paint some other details. And I add more texture with my finger and a little bit of black food color. I make the shadows of the Fallen Kingdom letters. And I'm doing the letters with my white frosting. The last step, the dinosaur. I begin by modeling the body of the dinosaur with my modeling chocolate. To support the body, I use a bamboo stick, and for the time I'm sculpting, I put it in a styrofoam block. Then I sculpt the arms. And I use toothpicks to support the arms on the body.
See, you found love, but I'm just aging. Oh, the fire's low, I'm broken inside. I'm still alive, I'm still alive. But you know that we might still get burned. Raging. The fire is red.
I make the head of the dinosaur.
Wanna run, run, run again. Rip me out and let me breathe again. I'm broken inside, but I'm still alive. Yeah, I'm still alive. The fire is raging. The fire is raging. It's a carousel of words running around, going nowhere.
I finish with the claws that I stick with a little bit of water.
Though the flame is there, I'm broken inside. I'm still alive, I'm still alive.
I make the last details and the texture of the dinosaur.
Raging. The fire is raging. Wanna run, run, run again. Rip me out and let me breathe again. I'm broken inside, but I'm still alive. Yeah, I'm still alive. The fire is raging.
It's time to put the dinosaur on the cake. I make a hole by creating cracks and lifting the fondant. To support the dinosaur on the cake, I put in 3 bamboo sticks at the same height as the cake and put the dinosaur in the hole on the bamboo sticks. Now the painting step, always with food colors. I begin with something like a beige or brown on all the dinosaurs except the mouth and the claws. I apply a pink edible dust at some places. And a little bit of red. Some green. I paint the claws with black. And make some other black details. A little bit of flesh color in the mouth and a kind of dark purple color for the tongue. I give just a little bit of yellow-brown tint to the teeth. And it's done! I put back in place the fondant pieces with a little bit of frosting. Boom! Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom cake! Big thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up if you like dinosaurs and share the video to support my work. Leave your comments below and be part of my wonderful world by subscribing to my channel. You are wonderful. Bye bye.